We are pleased to show you the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirrors power, passenger, rollover protection system, headlights auto off, mirror memory. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.